Feels good to be able to bat in that manner in an important game where we wanted to seal our qualification into the semis and to contribute in a situation like that where we kind of lost Rohit early and then we had to string in a partnership, took the learnings from the last game that we played, the conditions, the understanding of how to go about things, and my job was pretty clear to control the middle overs, to try and go after the seam bowlers, and not take too many risks against the spinners, but keep rotating strike. And once we strung in a nice partnership, then towards the end, I think Shreyas accelerated and I got a few boundaries away as well. But yeah, it was more or less the way I play ODI cricket, so I was happy with the template.
In a situation like this, the importance of the game, the occasion of an India-Pakistan and this crowd here, with all your experience, how do you keep the focus and keep the process?
I think for me, I have a decent understanding of my game over the years. For me, it's just about keeping the outside noise and the distractions away. I try to stay in my space as much as possible, really take care of how my energy levels are, what am I thinking, my thoughts, because it's very easy for me to kind of get pulled into the expectations and the frenzy around games like these. My job is to focus on my skill and to be able to do the job for the team as much as I can. And I think one of the keynotes there is I kept telling myself in the field whenever I was feeling a bit down that, I'm going to put my 100% on every ball that I field, and sometime I will get the rewards for the hard work that I'm putting in on the ground. So that's why I take a lot of pride in working hard and running around the field as well. And yeah, when you put your head down and you work hard enough, then I think God rewards you accordingly. So I'm very grateful and thankful to God.
You touched on Shubman Gill and Shreyas Iyer, who were your partners out there. Touched a little bit on conditions and how batting conditions evolved, if so, during the day.
I think clarity is very important. One thing you need to understand is when there's space on the ball, you need to be able to play your shots and keep the game moving, because if you don't score off the seamers, then the spinners become even more potent. And if you score enough of the seamers, like the openers gave us a brilliant start, Shubman kept going after Shaheen, so that kind of negated their new ball bowling a little bit. If you don't get like 60, 70 in the first 10, then you're always chasing the game. And I think the way those two are setting up the platform at the top is really helping us in the middle order. As you rightly said, Shubman is in phenomenal touch. There's a reason why he's the #1 ODI batter in the world. Shreyas is come of age at #4, 500 odd runs in the World Cup, and then continuing his good form in India as well, and now here too. So everyone's got a decent knockout here in these conditions. So the understanding of what the pitch has to offer for the whole batting order will really augur well for us going into the next few matches.
A week off, is it a good thing or otherwise? A week off, is it a good thing or otherwise?
To be honest, at 36, it's very good. I don't know about the 23, 24-year-olds, but for me, it's really, really good. I just need to put my feet up for 2 days, because it takes a lot out of me now to keep putting that kind of effort on the field, and I'm just thankful we have a bit of time off now.
Congratulations, Virat, and all the very best for the rest of the tournament.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
After winning the toss, 241, you felt that you had a chance?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ramiz bhai, the toss is only element for us. We won the toss, but we didn't get the benefit of toss because we were looking yesterday. We decided as a meeting like a 280 is enough score on that pitch. So we will start our innings like that. But in middle orders, the bowlers, they bowled very well. One time we are looking in that area, but they bowled very well and they get our wickets that time.
Losing wickets at a crucial time was another reason why you were sort of disrupted in that first inning score.
Yeah. I mean, basically, in that time when me and Shakil was playing there, so we took time because we want to go deeply. And after that, I think the poor selection of the shot that time, you can say that, because we earlier 3-4 wickets we gave them in that time, but they bowled very well in that time. So they put us under pressure, and that's why we squeezed them around the 240.
Let's now talk a little bit about bowling. Now, you needed wickets, regular wickets, because it wasn't such a big score for a strong Indian batting lineup. What happened in the bowling department? Would you think you needed more from your spinners, from your pacers?
Yeah, Ramiz, but you can say like that, because whenever you lose, so it means you didn't perform in all departments like that. But early on, we attack on them, but they are they more attack on us, and that's why they're gonna lucky, and we didn't get the wicket. After that we want to squeeze them, but we fail in that squeeze time as well. And earlier stage the Brar gave us the wicket, but the other end the runs they played very well. If you look him, the Virat Kohli and Shubman Gill's innings, so they took far away from the match as well.
Couple of drop chances didn't make your health that good in that bowling performance. You needed more from your fielding side.
Yeah, Ramesh, we must be need to improve in our fielding as well, because you can't match in the world now, then especially in the fielding if you see the other teams. So we need to improve in our fielding as well. And like we know that we did a lot of mistake in this match and last match as well. But we're still doing that mistakes, and inshallah we know that, and hopefully after that tournament we're gonna work on them, inshallah.
Okay, best of luck. You've got another match to play then.
Thank you.
I invite Rohit Sharma to please come forward. Rohit, with a big smile, well done, well played, extremely well done. I mean, so it was the bowling performance that set up this show for you.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the way we started with the ball was superb. To restrict them to that kind of score was a great effort from the bowling unit. We knew, get slightly better to bat under lights, get slower as well, but we wanted to back the experience that we have in our batting lineup to go out there and get those runs.
The other great thing about Indian bowling is the bounce back ability, because you disrupt the flow of the opposition. Even when the things are not working for you, you somehow turn it around with superb bowling effort in the middle of the innings.
Yeah, look, the credit goes to guys like Akshar, Kuldeep and Jadeja in the middle there. They played a lot of this format cricket, and they do understand what is required of them. Rightly so, they stitch a very good partnership there, Rizwan and Saud Shakil. So important for us not to let the game drift away. We wanted to stay there as long as possible. And again, the experience comes into play of all these three spinners. Not to forget the way Hardik, Harshit and Shami bowled as well. So it was, if you look at the entire game, how we bowled was an entire bowling unit performance. Everyone came to the party and did exactly what was required of them on that pitch.
Understanding the situation, reading the situation, Rohit, is very important, but also the fact that it's a skillful side that should make your sort of leadership that much easier also.
Yeah, absolutely. I think a lot of that credit goes to the players as well. This bunch of boys, we played a lot of cricket together, especially this format, and they do understand, what kind of job is required out of them. It can be quite tricky at times where, some guys will not get to bowl 10 overs because we have 6 bowlers to bowl at. So it's important what is working on that particular day and try and maximize those guys. And that is something that I'll always look into. Who are the guys are making slightly difficult for the batters. Everyone will have different days, but it was Akshar, Kuldeep, those guys stepped up today. In the previous games it was Jadeja, but in this game it was these two guys, and then Hardik with those couple of crucial wickets.
And what about Virat? I mean, he obviously is on Pakistani feet. Because every time he walks out there, he wins you a game against Pakistan.
Look, he loves representing the country. More importantly, he wants to be out there playing for the team, doing what he does the best, which is to go out there and do what he did today. That is what he's known for. Over the years, we've seen it with him, people sitting inside the dressing room are not surprised with what he has done. It was good for him to be out there in the middle, see the game off, and then a couple of crucial knocks from the other guys as well.
How's the hamstring holding up? Is it the hamstring?
Yeah, it was, but it's okay at the moment.
Okay, enjoy it. Great performance.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.